there, I'm Dr. Marie Fang. Welcome to my video series featuring quick tips and tools to help you be your best self today. Today we're going to talk about how to apologize and do it right, because most of the time we're either not apologizing, or when we do it, we're doing it not correctly, and sometimes we're actually causing more damage than we're resolving when we apologize. So first we need to identify when is it in life that we do need to apologize. Once you've identified what you're apologizing for, it's important to identify who you need to apologize to. There might be more than one person. And find a moment to say, hey, you know what? I have something I really would like to apologize for, and I'm wondering if you have a moment. It's important to do two things. First of all, name specifically what it is. So don't say, I'm sorry I made a mistake, but say, here's exactly what I did that was incorrect or hurtful. Second, it's very important to acknowledge how that mistake affected the person you're apologizing to. One key note here, I cannot stress this enough. If you only have one takeaway from this video, let it be this. When you are apologizing, please delete the word if from your apology. Here's the example of what not to do. I'm so sorry if what I did offended you. Or I'm so sorry if I did something wrong. From there, the convention is, once we've apologized, is to promise that we'll never do it again. But I actually think that's really damaging because we're not perfect. We make mistakes over and over again. So I think the best that we could hope for towards rebuilding trust is to set an intention. Right, like, I can't promise I'll never do this again. Man, I really don't want to do this again. But I know I need help as a human to get there. So my intention is to move in this particular direction. And then it's helpful to name what steps you're taking to help you towards that intention. And then because you are human and you are capable of making this mistake again, it's important to make a plan together with the person you're apologizing to for what you're going to do if and when you make this mistake again, or a similar version of this mistake. From there, the other way I'm going to deviate from convention in this tip is that it's super important not to ask for forgiveness. When someone says, will you forgive me? We tend to hear that as, oh, you're asking me to pretend that this never happened. And the reality is that's just not how we work as people. So we need to rebuild trust before we can ever expect anyone to forgive us. And that's really important to acknowledge. From there, ask for feedback to say, hey, is there anything else I can do to help show you that I am working towards rebuilding trust? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more like this one. And until next time, I'm Dr. Marie Fang, and I hope you have a great day.